Welcome to our new lesson about light. Light is everywhere around us. But how can you explain the presence of light? Or to put it simply, what is light? Imagine yourself sitting in your living room with a fire burning to keep you warm. You've heard your older brother telling you that aside from sound, there's also another wave that is present in your home. And you ask this, I wonder what other type of wave is present here in this room, aside from the noise coming from the outside. Light, just like sound, is also a wave. This is what Christian Huygens, a famous scientist, believed. This is what he looks like. But light is also considered as a particle, as proven by Sir Isaac Newton in his different experiments. So which is the true nature of light? Is light a wave? Or is light a particle? Max Planck came up with the idea of the dual nature of light. This means that light is both a wave and a particle. Another scientist who have contributed to our knowledge about light is James Clerk Maxwell. He proposed the electromagnetic theory of light. We're going to discuss more of that later. These four famous scientists have given us a glimpse of the true nature of light. So this time, let us be familiar with the different sources of light. Sources of light can be grouped into two, natural sources and artificial sources of light. Again, sitting in the living room, aside from the fire, which other artificial sources of light can you think of? How about the natural sources of light? Light can be described by its brightness. The brightness of light depends on the source of the light and the distance of the light source. Imagine this. Which do you think will be brighter, the light coming from a candle flame or light from a light bulb? The unit for brightness is called candela. As mentioned earlier, James Clerk Maxwell proposed his electromagnetic theory of light. He combined the concepts of light, electricity, and magnetism. Since light is just like any other wave, it also possesses the characteristics of wavelength, frequency, and speed. There are different forms of electromagnetic waves arranged according to frequency. This arrangement is known as electromagnetic spectrum. This is a diagram of it. So to end our short lesson about light, you are to read about the electromagnetic spectrum. So what different waves composes the electromagnetic spectrum and what are their ranges? Which of these waves can be seen by the human eyes? And which of these waves can be used to cure cancer cells? So those are just some of the questions that you need to answer and ponder upon while you are researching or while you are reading about the electromagnetic spectrum.
Electromagnetic spectrum is just a name of a range of radiation. Let me tell you what they are. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. From the TV station to your living room, that is the work of radio waves. Heating food in just seconds, microwaves do that. Heat treatment for illness, take pictures in the dark. They are even in your remote control. Infrared radiation, the electromagnetic spectrum is just a name of a range of radiation. Let me tell you what they are. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. That is the only part of the spectrum that can be seen by us. The suntan on your skin kill bacteria and viruses. Used to detect forgery, that is ultraviolet. The electromagnetic spectrum is just a name of a range of radiation. Let me tell you what they are. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. See your broken bones and your hidden bombs, that is the work of X-rays. Kill cancer cells and sterilize dangerous gamma rays. Do that. Now we have completed the electromagnetic spectrum. If you still do not understand, then play the song again. The electromagnetic spectrum is just a name of a range of radiation. Let me tell you what they are. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays.